Alright, so question number 3. The diagram shows the part of the curve y equals 6 minus 3 over x, which passes through the point A where x equals 3. The normal to the curve at the point A meets the x-axis at the point B. Find the coordinates of the point B. So what are the keywords here? I wrote it on the paper. It's normal at A, which actually intersects at B. So when you say normal at A, it means it's perpendicular to the tangent at the point A. So that the format of that is this. I just put it this one because as what we know is that if the gradient of the tangent is your m, the gradient of the normal to that is negative 1 over m. So I just plug in the negative 1 over m directly to your function there. So the first step is actually to find the m, which you can find by finding the derivative and plugging in x equals to 3. So let's try to do that. So the first step again is to find the derivative. So y prime is equal to, let's take a look at the derivative of this, but let me rewrite my y first. It's actually 6 minus 3 x to the negative 1. It's x to the negative 1 because it's 3 over x using the law of exponent. So the derivative of 6 is 0. The derivative of this is negative 3 times negative 1 is positive 3 x to negative 2. Or that is actually the same as 3 over x squared. So this is now our gradient function or derivative. So you need to plug in now x equals 3 for you to be able to find the m. So at x equals 3, m is equal to 3 over 3 squared, which is 3 over 9, which is equal to 1/3. So therefore, this is the derivative, the gradient of the tangent. Alright? So therefore, the gradient of the normal, you just plug it in there. So the equation that you want is negative 1 over 1/3 x plus c. But this one is actually equal to y is equal to negative 3 x plus c. So that is now your normal equation. But it's not yet finished because you need to find the value of your c. How can you find the c? You need to plug in your x equals 3 plus c, but we don't know the y. So for us to be able to find the y at this point A, you need to plug in 3 to this. So that is actually 6 minus 3 over 3, which is 6 minus 1, which is equal to 5. So that is equal to 5. So therefore you have there 5 is equal to negative 9 plus c, therefore c is equal to 14. So your equation now of the normal is y is equal to negative 3x plus 14. So that is the normal equation of the line. But it's not yet finished because what are we looking for is the point B. And as you can see from here, the point B is on the x-axis, wherein the value of y is equal to 0. So therefore, you need to plug in y is equal to 0 to find the b. So 0 is equal to negative 3x plus 14. Therefore, negative 3x equals negative 14. So therefore, x equals 14 over 3. Alright, so therefore the point B is the point 14, 3, 0. Thank you very much.